started.
Yeah, so I just bought I ordered my new MacBook Neo. This is the base model though, the one with 256 gigabytes of room. So let me open it. Let's see. Okay. Yes, so as you can see, this is how it looks like. It's well packaged. Yeah. Yeah, so let's see what is inside. So I'm going to put this off. Oh, this is looking so cool and sleek. Yeah. So yeah, that's out of the way. So I think it should be this way. Yeah, so this, we are getting to the real deal now. I don't know how to do this. Okay, yeah. Then it starts. So in the pack, let's just really look at what's inside the pack. Okay, that's good. So I have a charger head. I think this is the one that they said is up to, it can discharge up to 22 watts of electricity. And this is the cord. Oh, this is looking so nice. Oh god. So now let's go to the main item. So am I going to do this again? Okay, in this way. That's it. So I actually requested for the silver color, as you can see. It's actually the silver color. So this is how the back looks like. This is how it looks like. So I'm going to see if I've been hearing and watching too many YouTube videos about using a single finger to open a MacBook. Let me see if this will obey that. Okay, it actually did. So this is it. So let me take this off. Oh god, I like how this is going, man. So as you can see, it's coming up. Makes sense. Hello. So that is it. This is the